All right, let's cook us an omelet. I'm going to do a leftover chicken omelet. I'm going to shred it, put it in the fry pan. Let me get a little butter in there. And while I'm waiting for that to melt, I'm going to go ahead and mix my eggs up. I got 4 eggs. It's going to be a 4-egg omelet. I'm hungry. Okay. All right, here's the chicken. And a little bit more. All right. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. All right. All right, I'm going to get that heated up and brown just a little bit. We'll be right back. All right, I think that's enough browning right now. Yeah, that's good enough. All right, a little bit more butter. And the egg. All right. Be it back in just a little bit. All right, I'm gonna try to flip this without making a big mess like I usually do. Or ripping it. Well, it wasn't a big mess, so I just made a little mess. That I can live with. All right. Now a little bit of cheese. Get my hand in there. All right, let's do this. Okay. Frank's Red Hot. What do you call this? Before and after? Coming and going? Chicken and egg, which came first? Yeah, how about a which came first omelet? That's a good one. This is a which came first omelet. Shredded chicken, 4-egg omelet. Damn good. Thanks for watching, y'all. Well, that was a quick flip. That was a quick flip. I just sold it. Today's Sunday. Sold the snapper. Sold the weed eater. The Echo weed eater to the same person that bought the snapper. And now I've decided I'm going to sell my generator that's about 200 pounds, and I'm going to buy a generator I can lift up and put in my truck. When I bought that, I could actually lift that, but I can't anymore. And there's a lot of times I need a portable generator that I can carry with me, and to bring this with me, I have to drag it up a ramp on my trailer. Whether I want my trailer with me or not, I got to bring it if I need my generator. So I'm going to get a smaller generator that I can pick up and throw in the back of my pickup without having to drag a trailer with me. So that's, I bet you I don't have 10 hours on that. And I'm going to sell that and buy one of them quiet ones, probably a 2,500 or 3,000 watt, something like that. Something big enough to run my welder and small enough for me to carry around. Alright, I got that saw next, and I got 2 people talking to me about it, trying to dicker me down. And I may come down some, but I really don't want to. I got some time and a good bit of money in it. But that's it. Alright, next, I think we're going to go back to, oh no, tomorrow I'm going to take everything out of my toolbox in my truck, everything. And all the wrenches that I had up here, oh baby, You good girl? You good girl. And the wrenches that I have in my truck are just mismatched. You know, some of them I don't even have, you know, I skip a size. So I have a complete set of Americans. I have a complete set of metrics. And I'm going to completely clean my truck out. And I'm going to have just one good of everything. One good set of American wrenches. One good set of metrics. One good Phillips. One good straight blade. I'm going to put all these Torx in my truck because I always run across Torx. And just redo my truck toolbox. And take some stuff out of there that I'm just not going to carry with me anymore. I used to carry I am carrying a come-along, a big heavy come-along. And probably 100 pounds worth of damn chains that I don't use but once or twice a year. So, and it hasn't been a surprise when I needed them. So it just doesn't make sense to carry them around. If I need them, I can pick them up and carry them when I need them. So anyway, that's not big news, me redoing my truck toolbox. But there's the money shot again. I'm still liking how neat and clean the shop is. Alrighty, this will probably go at the end of some clip, whatever I do that's interesting next. See ya.